Hello.
Hi there, welcome to our salon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Of course. What type of haircut are you looking for? Short, medium, or long?
I'd like a medium-length haircut, please.
Great choice. Do you have a specific style in mind, or would you like some recommendations?
I'm not sure. Could you suggest something that suits my face shape?
Certainly. Let me take a look. Based on your face shape, I recommend a layered cut to frame your face nicely. What do you think?
That sounds good. Let's go with the layered cut.
Excellent. Would you like a wash and blow dry with that?
Yes, please. I'd like a wash and blow dry as well.
Perfect. Please follow me to the shampoo station. I'll wash your hair first.
After washing and cutting.
All done. What do you think of your new haircut?
I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today, like styling or any hair products?
No, just the haircut and blow dry, please.
All right then. Your total is $40. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my card, please.
Great. I'll just need your card, please. Processes payment, thank you.
Thank you. I'm really happy with the haircut.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your day, and we hope to see you again soon.